I found an AI tool that can make imagination come true. I created a short movie clip using AI. Let's watch the clip. Then I will teach you how you can make these type of amazing videos by yourself in minutes.
다음은 팀 1입니다. 페니와이즈 베크나, 프레디 파즈베어, 그리고 드레이크.
Come on, guys, we got this.
Nah, they're fucked, bro.
Whether you want to create videos for fun or want to earn money from videos, swap your faces with famous celebrities, generate behind the scenes from your favorite series, creating amazing VFX transitions, and many more. From video to images, Higgsfield AI lets you create whatever you want. Higgsfield AI offers most advanced and effective image, video generation, and editing tools available on the internet, such as Nano Banana Pro, Sora AI Pro, Seedance 1.5 Pro, Kling Motion Pro, Seed Dream 4.5, Flux 2 Max, Kling Video Edit, Unlimited Reeve, Higgsfield Popcorn, Google VO3, and 2.6. Higgsfield AI is a generative AI platform specialized in creating high-quality cinematic videos, visual effects, VFX, and hyper-realistic content. It distinguishes itself from other AI tools by offering a structured workflow designed for professional creators, marketers, and filmmakers to produce high-budget style footage through simple prompts and images. It has a lot of built-in templates, transitions, and effects from which you can create your viral videos within minutes. Let's explore the tools in Higgsfield AI. But before, let's have a quick look at ratings to see whether it's worth using or not. It has ratings of 4.4 out of 5 on the G2 reviews. On the Trustpilot, it has ratings of 3.7 out of 5, which means it has good ratings and user reviews. Hold tight, we will cover all features in this short video. I am in video section on the motion control. This tool allows us to copy motion from any video and place ourselves in the same motion. Let me show you a quick demo. First of all, I will add my character or image here. As you can see, it requires high pixels image. After uploading image, select the motion in which you want to replace your image. Motion can be from any video or movie clip. I will select from these available motions. Select the quality and generate. It will take few seconds for processing. This is our result. The quality details are impressive. On the image features, it has a lot of available model to choose from. 3 models are Higgsfield official, which are pretty good results. Then we have Google Nano Banana, Seed Dream's latest version, GPT Images, Kling, and Flux AI. I have low-quality image and want to convert it to high-resolution edited image. I will use Nano Banana Pro, offered by Higgsfield platform in this case. It's very simple. Upload the image, give the prompt, and done. Its results are superb. You can visit Higgsfield AI and explore more image generation models and give your imagination a life. After images, now I am on Cinema Studios. It is most advanced model yet available. With a good prompt, we can create action scenes like Hollywood movies. Give the prompt, do necessary settings according to your need. Select the video duration. Upload starting and ending scene image. I recently generated the images from Higgsfield. Here I will use these. Click on Generate. It well went from starting to ending scene. After image and Cinema Studio, I am on video section right now. I have created short 1-minute video using Higgsfield's video generation models. In the end of the video, you will see the results of the movie and let me know of your thoughts about it. I have uploaded the image. You can see there are 7 best and latest video generation model to choose from. I have used all these in making movie clips similar to Stranger Things. For now, I will go with Sora 2 Pro Max. Resolution to 1080, 12 seconds duration of video. Give the prompt. Click on Generate and wait for a few seconds.
It's right behind us!
Watch out!
Keep running!
It's gonna stop us!
Left! Don't stop! Just keep going!
We're almost there!
The results are amazing and realistic, close to real VFX. Let me know in the comments which results you like the most. Have you watched the Boys series? Want to blow heads like that? Well, most of the AI tools have restrictions creating this type of content. Well, you can freely create whatever you want on Higgsfield. Give the right prompt and picture to see the best results. Now let's see some of the viral transitions and effects. The transitions and videos on the start of the video were created from here. I will use relight, angles, and transitions. All the process is same. We have to upload the image and click on generate. So I will fast forward the video from here. I will quickly show you transitions, behind the scene, and their results within next 1.5 minutes. If you already had the idea or want to skip, then you can skip this portion and go forward to ending and watch the short movie clip and pricing. You want to enjoy all features. There's some price, let's talk about that. It has 4 plans: Basic, Advanced, Ultimate, and Creator. Basic plan starts from $9 and gives you 150 credits per month and access to selected models only. Pro models starting from $17.4 give you 600 credits per month. It gives you access to all models and unlimited access to image generation and Nano Banana. Ultimate plan is most popular in value for money. I recommend buying this because it gives unlimited access to 10 AI models. It also gives 1,200 credits per month, which is a plus point within $25. In the last, we have Creator plan starting from $37.4, 6,000 credits per month, plus unlimited access to premium models. I will provide the link in description. You can check it out. Well, it's up to you which plan you want to buy. First, try demo. If you are satisfied with the results, then definitely buy the plan which suits you. Why choose Higgsfield AI? Well, the answer is on the screen. It's the all-in-one platform and 10x more effective than its competitors like Freepik, Krea, and OpenArt. It offers more and less price. You can pause the video and see the comparison. I hope this video will be helpful. Let me know in the comments which part you like the most. Like, share, and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.
there!